My name is Ilumi Sanchez, and I have daycare at home. It's gonna be hard for me to get that degree because I work until 6 o'clock and I don't have time to go to college. My English is not fluent, it's not my first language. If I need to close my daycare and I'm not gonna have money to pay my rent and I'm gonna lose my house, also my children won't be able to go to college and stay in college.
Daycare in Washington, D.C. and many communities is already very expensive. My family and my friends already pay between $1,500 and $2,000 a month, and this is only going to make it more expensive.